This is a personal question that I'm sure you will be the perfect man to answer. Throughout history, many speeches have sparked a change in people forever. So my question is, how important are speeches? How important are speeches, and why is it important that they are a positive one, not a negative, destructive one? And what is the difference between those two? What can they make of someone?
Which part of the question is personal?
All of it.
All right. I can't accentuate more than what Brother Muhammad said already. You know what I discovered recently, because I do a lot of teaching workshops. I discovered that the people actually relate with the person before he speaks. It's very important for people to know who you are before. There was a study in America, in a clinic. The doctor's room, they put only one nameplate, his name, and just one title. And they measured for a week how many patients come, and what are the prescriptions released by the doctor, and the degree of commitment by the patients for that doctor. Then, after 1 week, they removed the nameplate on his door, and they put his name, but all his credentials, a long one. All right? And then again, for another week, they measured the number of patients and the commitment to the prescription. Guess what was the commitment? Where was the commitment higher, in week 1 or week 2? Same doctor, same practice, same average number of patients.
Week 2.
Which week people committed to the medicine more?
Week 2.
Week 2. Because who the doctor is really matters before you speak. We call this credibility. And for me, the most important speech in history, which I teach this to everyone, is the speech of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Because when God asked him to go ahead and announce about Islam publicly, he did it with a speech. And he said, "Do you know me?" He said, "Of course, we know you." And then he declared Islam. But first, they knew who he was. Make sure they know who you are. Even in the speech, you can do this. To me, that's the most historical speech in history.